We're Team Makers Assemble 5951 from Tel Aviv, Israel. MA isn't just a robotics team, it's one big family that includes all our teams, alumni, mentors, parents, teachers, and sponsors. All of our team members mentor other first teams to help make our dream a reality. We believe that makers lead the way. Which way, you might ask? Well, it starts with a way to equality. We bring first to all communities through inclusion and diversity, as our makers empower individuals to take action and bring ideas to life. That's why we adapt our programs to meet the unique needs and requirements of each child.
נערים מקסימים, חדורי מוטיבציה, עם המון יכולת הכלה.
The journey of our students who take the extra mile doesn't end in our teams. It extends far beyond. They get tailor-made weekly STEM lessons in our workshop and continue their journey to become makers. We've taken this idea of involving special needs students in STEM to the next level, all by fully integrating youth from different backgrounds into our team, providing them with the support and resources they need to excel in STEM. Our goal is to prepare these teens for a bright future in STEM and create a more equal future. Makers are determined to equip youth with the tools they need to succeed in STEM. Our festivals and events are not just about showcasing FIRST, but about igniting a passion in the hearts of young people for a future in STEM. We also organize the biggest seminars in the FIRST community.
שאמי לקחה על עצמה וארגנה מאלף עד תף. אני לפחות הגעתי כמו אורח, הגעתי רק להרצאת פתיחה, הכל היה מוכן והכל היה מסודר.
The work of a maker includes helping other first teams and guiding them on their way to become full-on makers themselves, sharing resources and knowledge for the betterment of the community as a whole. Makers use the STEM skill set they've gained from FIRST in order to help other people. Finally, makers lead the way to spread STEM around the world. By taking the role of FIRST ambassadors, we reach out to teams from around the world and make sure that makers are not just a local force in the community, but a global movement of people who want to give back using STEM. Makers don't only lead existing ways. They're ambitious enough to create new ones and to take the roads less traveled by. And for us, that makes all the difference. We will never stop until we create a world where makers lead the way.